You've got a bunch of numbers to enter and add up. How do you do it? What's the best way? Is it getting out your 10 key and manually hand calculating them all, only to figure out that you made a mistake in the middle and either have to do it all over or subtract the one and re-add it in? Maybe there's more than one error. What a pain in the butt. As an accountant, I did that for years until I figured out a better way to do it. I'm Tina Palmgren with Excelling Your Business, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to help you add up your numbers quickly and efficiently. Let's get down to it. So this is a spreadsheet that I actually created. This is a table. I know it's a table because I have a table design tab. If I click off of that table, that tab goes away. So what this is doing, I have used the table design. I have included a total row, and that allows me to put different information in this total row that automatically adds everything for me. So this one is actually a subtotal. It's saying it's totaling the column addition, and it's automatically adding that up. I get a drop down box right here, and you can see that I was doing the sum. So this is automatically adding all these numbers. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way, instead of using that 10 key, that you can use this information. I'm just going to copy this in here so you're getting these same numbers. I'm going to highlight this and make it a little bit wider. Oops, didn't want to do that one. Should have paid attention to what I was doing, but we'll just leave it right there. All right, so we're over here. This one is the average. So this is another subtotal. It's still saying 109, but I'm going to change that. So I can quickly change each of these. This is now giving me the average for 12 months of worth of data. I want to look at the minimum. So again, these are all set formulas in Excel. I don't need to know the formula. It will just do it for me. So I'm changing these as I go. This one's the maximum. This one is just counting it. And this one's adding everything up. You can see the same. And I wanted to do a SUMIF. And I'm going to come back here and go into my more functions. This is a SUMIF, so I'm going to go ahead and say OK. The range is this. Is the range meaning what do you want to look at? What is the range you're comparing? What is the criteria? I want to say if it's greater than 250,000. And my sum range is that same range. So it's only going to add up the numbers if they're more than $250,000. And I'm going to click OK. So you can see that it's not adding everything, because we had 4,186,000 over here that adds everything. And this one is only adding the ones over 250,000, which are these ones right here. And when I highlight those and look down in my bottom of my sheet, this says sum 3386,673.36. So those are the numbers that are being added. So if you create a spreadsheet that you can have up at any time and just pull up, and automatically is already set up to add average, minimum, maximum, whatever you may do. Maybe you do some subtraction. I cannot talk this morning, sorry. You know, you can have these already pre-set up. You don't have to get out that 10 key and try to do all that information very quickly. This is already pre-made. It's quick and easy to change. You can change the numbers at any time. And it saves paper. You don't have the errors. If you do make an error, it's quick and easy to change. I want to go back to that really quickly and show you. So maybe I made a mistake on this one, and it was supposed to be 150,986. See how quickly that's easily changed? And the nice part about Excel is when you're in one of these numbers, you don't have to delete it. You don't have to try to do anything. You can just start typing, and it'll automatically go in there. Oops, I didn't want that. And I can hit enter. You can also undo. I love my undo key. That's my favorite key in Excel. So I can undo multiple things. So I just undid the one I did up there. So you can go back and fix and change things very quickly and easily. And if you need to have it printed out, you can still print this page. You can select a section, and you can go to the page layout and print area and say set print area. If I do a print preview, which I have pre-set up, it's just showing that one little section. Yes, it does print on a piece of paper, but it's better than that curly Q. You can look at it, you can go back in, you can save this, you can put this in a file if you need to. When I did reconciliations for different things in accounting, I would save this file. Oops, I want to undo what I just did because I thought I was on a different screen. I would save that file and put it right in with the reconciliation. That way I had my documentation right in the file. I didn't actually even have to print it out if I didn't want to, because it was in the file. So there's many ways that Excel can make your life quicker and easier. And if it makes sense for you to learn more about how it can help you be more efficient at what you do, I'd love to have that conversation with you. You can go on to my bit.ly link at Excel support and book a time on my calendar for a free 15-minute consultation. It's just a conversation talking about what you do, seeing if it would be a good fit for us to maybe work together. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Maybe I can give you some tips on what you can do better. You have nothing to lose but your wasted time. I'm Tina Palmgren with Excelling Your Business. Have a great day.